How to use citric acid to clean your toilet. And not only. Are stubborn hard water stains and limescale refusing to budge? Even after scrubbing vigorously? Don't worry, we've got a simple and mostly natural solution for you. You would only need these 3 items: a kettle, water and the fabulous citric acid. For optimal results, start by pouring a kettle of boiling water into the toilet to raise the temperature. Next, add 4 tablespoons of citric acid to the kettle, fill it with water, and bring it to a boil. Once boiled, pour the mixture into the toilet and close the lid. The longer you let it sit, the more effective it will be. Finally, scrub away the loosened dirt. For the most stubborn limescale and stains, it's ideal to repeat the process twice. Additionally, using citric acid helps keep the environment safe from the harsh chemicals found in store-bought products. One more thing, you might not have noticed, but by combining citric acid with hot water, you've also perfectly cleaned the inside of your kettle. Have a great day.